What is up, guys, and welcome to another day with the Auto Works. I have my wife Nora here with me today, and it's her turn to pick and choose the spray out. So what are we going with today, baby?
We're going to do a spring green.
So we're doing gloss spring green. Kind of like St. Patrick's Day is, well, it's tomorrow for us right now, but I'm sure it's probably past by the time this video gets up. But anyways, in honor of St. Patrick's Day, we've chose green. And a little something different we found today when we were shopping at Lowe's. This is Rustoleum Imagine Glitter Intense Glitter Paint, Iridescent Clear. It is clear coat, and it's got glitter in it. I've never seen it before, never tried it, don't know what it's going to do, but we're going to find out today. We're going to put some in the gun, and, well, let's start off with the green. Let's get this Fender green. And then we'll start with this crazy new clear we just found. Alright guys, so we got this gloss spring thing. Alright guys, so we got this gloss spring green. Wow, that tripped me up the first time. Down on this fender, and it's flattened off pretty good. Coverage was, it was alright. Pretty good for green. Now we're going to move over to this Rustoleum Iridescent Imagine Glitter stuff. I'm going to come up close and show you guys what's in this. And she wants to try shooting it through a spray bottle and see what it does. So, hey, I'm all for experiments. This might go incredibly awesome, and this might go incredibly wrong. But first, let me zoom in and show you guys what we're working with, and then we'll put it on the fender. Alright, so she's got her spray bottle loaded up. I don't know what's happening anymore, so I'm just going to move out of the way and let her steer the ship. Have fun. Told you. I think that would have been very pretty if we just shot through the gun like normal painters. But no, we shoot red over it. It'll be a Christmas tree. What is going on here?
It's not what I thought it was.
I told you. Alright, so as you just saw, shooting it straight through the bottle, not so great. What we did is we thinned it out with a little bit of acetone. And now she's going to spray it again. She's trying to get a spritz. So I don't know what it's going to look like. Like I said, we're going to shoot it and let it go. That is a new way to apply clear coat on me. Don't get it too heavy because then, yeah. All right, let's let this sit and we'll see what it does. Alright guys, so it's a few later, little update. The spray bottle didn't work out all that great, as you probably, anyways. We might bring it back in a future episode to do something cool, so just stay tuned. But anyways, we're going to switch over to doing it through a gun, no harm, no foul, and we're going to see what kind of a cool look we can get out of this doing it the normal way. So, alright, here we go. So this is the fender. What do you think, baby? You like it?
I love it. I think it looks really good.
I don't know how, but somehow we salvaged this product. Or project, sorry. But yeah, it turned out pretty cool. It's green on green, guys, and it looks great out in the sun. Yeah, I don't know what more to say, really. I mean, it turned out pretty good. The spray bottle was, well, you know, it is what it is. We tried something new, and that didn't really work. This Rustoleum clear is kind of funky. It has all the flake properties, but it goes on really muddy, and then, of course, like most cheap clears, it goes on milky, and it kind of dries out clear. But it did kind of dry out flat too, which I kind of expected that because it was just your basic Rustoleum clear, and no hardeners, no nothing like that. It's just like the stuff you get out of the spray can. But it was a cool project nonetheless, and we learned a lot of things, and that's what matters. So I appreciate my wife helping with this one and picking out the colors. She did great, and happy St. Patrick's Day. Let the shenanigans begin. But anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching. If you made it this far in the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and, well, we will see you on the next episode of Willie Auto Works. Have a great day, and God bless.